Waterloo. You don't want to make up. So all the while you're full of mouth, but no, all of the mouth gone. You're only bad for phone.
Yes.
Okay, so when you're on the phone, you always have on your makeup.
Yes.
Okay. How you managed to rain yesterday? I don't know you tell me. You stay inside the whole day?
When my sister my package out for delivery, I said jeans.
No, I get it today. But you like how I carry it on Sunday?
It don't matter as long as me get my package for glass.
No matter which day, what, rain or shine.
Rain or shine, could I fly it and drop it by my own, that was good.
You hear that? I think we should consider that one. Fly the packages and just drop them on person's house stop and they're good. This customer would be fine with that, right off here. So we need to get some of them drones. Yes. Tie the package on it and drop it on the house stop. So rain or shine.
Rain or shine, as long as we get my package.
Yeah, you know you're a crazy one, right? I should say yes. Tell me all the nice things you want to tell me. Because you're always full of mouth, you know. So make me hear what you tell me now. Anything.
When I have no problem, it's always a fairly smooth process. The whole procedure is easy. Just make sure it's you do your thing and we get your package on time. No complaints.
Okay.
None whatsoever.
None whatsoever. You're referring to your neighbors and friends, right?
Yeah, sometimes I give them the little things that always come.
Right.
But I don't know if them use it.
Oh.
But like for close friends and stuff, but always they make sure so.
Make sure them use it.
You know, yeah.
So you need to bad up the rest of them because you're bad people, you know. Just bad them up and make sure them use the thing.
Can't tell people that.
You can't tell.
Cut out that part there.
Cut out the bad part. Alright, so she's not bad today because it's Sunday and because a lot of rain fell yesterday, so she's nice and calm. Nice and calm.
Back in a week.
Up here. Pleasure in business, alright? Have a good day. There you have it. Make sure you put on the makeup. This is what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. That is what we're talking about. Now she throw the package after the man. The man catch the package and gone. Because she said she bad. She lose the package. On the delivery trail, we have crazy customers. We're not so crazy, but hey, they make it exciting, they make it fun. Peace out. Hey, what's going on? I know you've been watching our videos all day, every day, because you enjoy the videos. But why haven't you signed up yet? You need to sign up for a free shipping account with us. And also sign up for a platinum membership. This allows you to get 4 free coupons every year. Come on, sign up, check up our webpage. Check it out. At the bottom of each of our webpage, you'll see a promotion link. You can see all the promotions we have running every day. Sign up.